Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Motorkid. I'm going to be doing a cold start on the Ryobi. If you can see, it's all the way down there. So I'm going to go all the way down there now and to film it. You haven't seen much of it recently because I haven't really had much use for it since I got the McCulloch running. Good. Excuse me for sniffing, I've got a bit of a cold. It's got no clutch, it's a cheap type. Probably about £100, something like that. Which is pretty cheap for one of these. Even cheaper now that it's about the same age as me, about 14 years old. It's got the upside down engine. The guards broke off. It's in the garage somewhere. Uses a 20:1 mix. Petrol's about 2 months old, I think, so it might be a bit hard to start. Petrol's stale, hasn't ran for about a week. Yep, so we're gonna get to it. Should start. Put the camera here. Use the table as a tripod. Just waiting for the camera to stay still. There we go. Just hoping the wind doesn't blow it over because it's pretty strong winds today. So, turn the ignition on, choke, and give it 5 grams. I think you heard it fire. Try it, no choke. I think the fuel might be too stale. Let's try smelling it. That smells a bit stale, to be honest. Oh well, we'll see if it will run. Give it a few more goes. The spring's playing up a bit. There you go. Bit on the hard to start side, but never been that hard to start before, but I put that down to stale fuel. I'll see you next time, YouTube.